Good morning, traders. In front of your Alpha Fibonacci system with your critical preparation and your critical analysis for your trading day. In case you missed the events of the previous few days, this is where price was yesterday morning, where we remained firm, absolutely bullish. This is not the place to short near. Your only option to buy from this level. This was extremely clear. Price remained here for hours and hours and hours. This morning, market in entirely different place. This morning, intelligent trader understands buying historical high, not a brilliant move, it's gambling. Lower the price collapses, better off we are. What is the problem? Buyers fully in charge. Shorting this market is not a wise thing to do. This is a market yesterday morning with a software. All the discussions that played out in the class and in the trading room. Trade is not on this chart. Trade on multiple charts. But this is precision, this is clarity, this is power. This is entry, this is stop, this is key target. Scale out, reversal zone. This morning, none of this is an option. This morning, market drastically different. This requires drastically different skill. This is how you prepare and you strategize with your brilliant, intelligent mind. Well before market open, you know what to do. You know what to expect. This morning, intelligent trader going for a jog, playing with a dog, demanding power, not weakness. This is junk. We stock at historical high with worthless sellers. We need for the price to crash through this level. If not, this is junk. Price been stuck at this level for the last hour, finding buyers. We need for the market to crash through this level. We need drastically more power. We need market here. If price is stuck here, it is weakness on the part of the sellers. Intelligent trader understands this with a single glimpse. We're stuck at the bold red zone at historical high, but both buyers and sellers are worthless. The only intelligent move, preserve your capital, wait for a quality trade. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Intelligent trader understands each and every day by looking at this chart. Bullish rally overextended. This is a chart present in front of you for many, many months. Vertical bullish rally during the worst economic and health crisis is a stunning reminder. Only if you are riding institutional power, you're trading with quality, you're trading with consistency. This morning, we're dealing with historical high. Bullish train is on. Here comes the buyers. There is absolutely no surprise. Of course, we knew this is not the place to short. So if you start pulling a trigger to the upside and you start buying bold red zone, it's a junky move. Success rate on both sides less than 20%. Intelligent trader has zero interest in junky trading. Intelligent trader has zero interest wasting brain power on staring at the screen. This is massive junk. Once you master this, your trading instantly shifts to drastically higher level. In regular market conditions, this brutal junk plays out at least 40% of the time. In current market conditions, 80 plus. But shocker not. Theo knows this quite well. Emails from students just in the last few days. Can you trade Bitcoin? Can you trade Forex with a system? You decide. It is non-stop. Genius, brilliant move. But the most meaningful and the most incredible email I pretty much received as one of my biggest gifts is this one. It says it all. Every single thing you learn in the course is about drastically more than just money. So if you're joining us, you will start understanding much more about life, not just trading. You decide what you want to trade. And when you do trade with quality, this is what you accomplish. You have zero interest in junky trading. Forex, for Theo, 100% success rate. Podcast coming up this week when Theo spoke with students. This is mix of multiple instruments on futures. So, this is what it's all about. Your ultimate brain function leading you to ultimate trading. And when this email arrives from Jim's wife, who is using my trading system for years and it's constantly growing, it's the greatest compliment I can ever receive. That's it. This is sadness from me, from everyone who took a boot camp. So here we are, closing down phenomenal year at historical event. When market's stuck in junk, you are not wasting your brain power. You are a genius, intelligent trader who is only focusing on highest quality trades. You're paying for your Christmas, Hanukkah, other holiday gifts, and New Year. This is what your success starts with. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. But this is what it all starts with. As Georgie Unstoppable, only 7 weeks in the course, practicing the craft, doubled his demo multiple times. Theo, keep practicing. This is standard for intelligent trader who is making phenomenal effort. If you want to become successful, you do exact same thing with market replay on Ninja. And when you do start trading live, you understand extremely well. This is key moment right now. We need for the market to crash through this level. If not, it's a massive junk. Did we know or did we know that this would be key support? Of course. Black and white, all playing out in front of you, that we discussed with traders well before this happened. Critical key level, now. That's it. Instant response. No speculation, no gambling. We dealt with this twice this morning. Twice. Are you with me? So again, what does the intelligent trader understands with simplicity of the system and the software? This is very aggressive trade. From historical high, you're looking to short. What is the problem? What is the conflict? Institutions buying everything. Institutions buying every single pullback. Do you know where to buy? Do you know what not to short into? It's black and white. That's why there is no shorts here this morning. This is key support. This is the only option. There is nothing else that's present. So please pay attention to the critical moment, as again the trade is not on 1 minute chart. We discussed with students and we'll review what chart the trade is on. What does it mean, RZ? It means reversal zone. There is nothing else that's possible, only this. But you, again, do not have to day trade S&P mini future. You can trade anything you choose, anything that's appropriate for you. Here's one of my favorite events this week. Waking up to this text. Pablo killed it. Shorting Nasdaq with stunning short. That's it. 307 points on Nasdaq. Pablo never pushed button on his computer. He never had a clue what Ninja Trader was when he came to me. Pablo has huge advantage. He has no bad habits. He has no clue what indicators are. And when Alpha Fibonacci System giving you multiple bullish alerts, you enjoy the ride. Correct? You choose your best trade. It's black and white. There is no speculation. There is no gambling here. There is nothing else. At support, you remain firm. And when my incredible students confirming this, Pablo is here as well this morning, that's a phenomenal work. That's a breathtaking effort. Huge, huge, huge compliment from Kurt. Just quit his job to focus on trading only. Here's another one and another one and another one. Bootcamp was indescribable treat, and I'm very grateful for people who surround you. And this is the average performance quantum leap for 5K per day performance. As Brad spoke in the bootcamp again and again and again. He wants to learn every strategy I ever develop, I ever teach. He wants to be in every single bootcamp forever. Is anyone surprised what played out in front of you on S&P? Are you aiming for a random number of points? Or are you extremely clear? This is the only option this morning. There is nothing else. It does not exist. But if I take you to Tesla, my goodness, it's exact same thing. Tesla selling off from reversal zone. Is anyone surprised? It's all precise. Word reversal zone means expect reversal with high 80% of the time. Adjust your trail and monitor for sell-off. But if I take you back to Tesla, going back all the way to May 2021, this is a chart from this trading room. This is Tesla. It has not changed. It reminded you time and time again. If you understand the importance of Alpha Fibonacci support and market being a stepping stone, Tesla never crashed through this level. This is where a strategic intelligent trader entered longs, never shorting near. And that's Tesla since the months of May. Here's Tesla in September, on the way. This is simplicity and purity of the system. But if I take you to oil, did you know yesterday morning not to short oil? Did you know your only option to buy oil from key support? But let me take you back on oil all the way to 2020. Do you remember that? My goodness. This is the power of the system, traders. This is what I will be teaching in the class next. This is predictive, precise, proprietary system you will never, ever, ever find anywhere else. If day trading not for you, you look to buy oil at the bottom. It's black and white. I am on my way to the Middle East, meeting with Mustafa. He quit his job. This is the last month he's working, supporting family of 5. In Saudi Arabia, Mustafa is trading oil stocks. But so does hedge fund manager in Palm Beach, who brought his brother to the course. Hedge fund manager in Alabama, with whom I've been working for the last 8 years. And this is the biggest compliment. When one mom with 2 little babies on her hands trading Nasdaq and S&P. That's it. Choice is yours. Do you want to trade oil stocks like Mustafa or cryptocurrency like Theo? You decide what's appropriate for you. Price is price, exactly the same everywhere. And when a hedge fund manager in London bringing his son to the course, it's one of the biggest highlights of 2021, reminding you time and time again. Simplicity of the system and effort of even 14-year-old boy. What do you want to trade? Choice is yours. Dominic loves to day trade. His father in London loves to position trade the system. So with the power of the system, you also can trade Bitcoin. Remember everything that's happening on Bitcoin. Would you like me to remind you? Again, I have not touched this chart in months. I'm taking you back to Bitcoin all the way to February 2021. Global convention in Miami. How is it possible? My goodness. What will happen on Bitcoin at this level? Word reversal zone, key reversal numbers mean not the place to buy. Success rate on longs here less than 20%. Global convention on Bitcoin in Miami and Bitcoin in free fall 65%. Do you understand why Bitcoin just crashed 20+%? Do you? Do you know where to buy Bitcoin? It's all the same. You decide what you want to trade. That's it. Proprietary system based on pure price. I constantly develop new strategies. Currently I work on brand new one. And every strategy I develop becomes more simple, more pure, more consistent, more powerful. There is no limit on how much I can teach you. This is skill level on Bitcoin. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader knows. I'm very interested for Bitcoin to be here. Oops! Shock or not, this was expected. And you knew this many months ahead. All the details in live class and modules 3 and 4. So if you're joining us now with the biggest discount ever, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done in your life. If Dominic can do this, so can you. If you would like to see the power of the system in the trading room, please sign up and review and listen to more and more podcasts from other traders. How Manuel brought his wife Jennifer to the course. How Richard doubled and tripled his demo account before trading live and making double of the income then as retired physical therapist. Private mentoring course 4 months includes all group classes, video library and modules. Private mentoring booked months and weeks ahead. So if you sign up today, you will start with private mentoring in January. But you can enjoy videos 24/7. If you do sign up for the group class is ongoing and videos, hundreds of videos in member area. Live classes are currently on. So please, listen to the latest podcasts on our podcast channel. View the emails I receive. If the traders can do this globally, so can you. I simply ask you to make an effort. That's it. This is simplicity. This is purity of the system. I look forward to visiting Sanjeev in Dubai. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to ask me and call me. I live and breathe what I do, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. Again, proprietary system applies to all instruments, all platforms, all time frames. Software for Ninja 8. You can scan for multiple stocks. You can apply system to any instrument you choose. Thank you, traders.